Most drivers think buying expensive, big-name tires means better quality. But here's the reality. Many premium tires don't even last 40,000 miles. Meanwhile, cheaper brands quietly push past 70,000 miles with fewer failures, and almost nobody talks about it. Today, we're exposing 13 underrated tire brands that often outlast the expensive ones, backed by real-world tests, long-term wear data, and driver reports. Stick with me, because the #1 brand on this list shocks even experienced mechanics. Let's get into it. Number 13. Kumho. We're starting with a South Korean brand that's been around since 1960. Kumho went from producing just 20 tires a day to becoming a global manufacturer with factories across multiple continents. But what really matters? Value plus durability plus performance. Models like the Exta series have been reported to exceed 70,000 miles at a fraction of the price of premium brands. Strong ratings from long-term tests, low warranty claim rates under 0.2%, used by brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Hyundai. Not perfect. Some older models had sidewall issues, but overall, Kumho delivers serious longevity for the money. Number 12. Falcon. Falcon started as a performance-focused brand, and yes, they had problems in the past. But today, completely different story. Modern Falcon tires are durable, long-lasting, and surprisingly efficient. The Wild Peak line is especially impressive. Strong off-road, still holds up on highways, doesn't wear out quickly. With warranties up to 80,000 miles, Falcon has become a serious value contender. Number 11. General Tire. Founded in 1915 and still standing today, while hundreds of competitors disappeared. That alone tells you something. Now owned by Continental AG, General Tire combines heritage with modern engineering. Standout model, Altimax RT43. Top rankings and tests, smooth ride, extremely even wear. For trucks and SUVs, the Grabber series is known for toughness and long life. Number 10. Toyo. Toyo has a strong reputation for durability. Their open country tires are especially popular for off-road driving, towing, long-distance use. Many drivers report minimal tread wear even after heavy use. Plus, Toyo invests in motorsports like Baja racing, which helps improve real-world durability. Number 9. Cooper. Founded in 1914, Cooper built its reputation on real-world toughness. Their tires are known for even wear, strong grip, and long lifespan. The Discoverer AT3 is a standout for SUVs and trucks. Many drivers say Cooper gives more miles per dollar than premium brands. Number 8. Yokohama. Most people know the name, but not how long these tires actually last. Yokohama combines racing technology with daily driving durability. Popular lines, Advan for performance, Avid for commuter, and Geolander for SUVs and trucks. They even use orange oil compounds to improve flexibility and extend tread life. Number 7. Hankook. Once considered mid-range, now competing with top-tier brands. Hankook tires consistently show long tread life, smooth ride, strong grip. Popular models, Ventus for performance, Kinergy for daily driving, and Dynapro for SUVs and trucks. Many fleet drivers use Hankook because they last longer under heavy use. Number 6. Sumitomo. With roots going back over 400 years, Sumitomo isn't just a tire brand. It's a legacy built on trust, stability, and endurance. Their focus is simple: stability, strength, long wear. Their tires wear slowly and evenly, stay stable at high speeds, and perform confidently in wet conditions. And here's something most people don't realize. The best decisions aren't always the loudest ones. Sometimes they're the quiet choices that save you money over time. Would you choose long-term reliability over a popular brand name? If this is helping you see things differently, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Number 5. Firestone. Founded in 1900, Firestone has been trusted for over a century. Now backed by Bridgestone, it delivers reliable performance, long-lasting tread, and affordable pricing. The Destination series is especially popular for SUVs and trucks. Think about it. A brand that survives for over 100 years doesn't do it by luck. It does it by delivering consistent value. Do you trust older brands more because of their history and experience? Number 4. Laufen. Laufen is a budget brand owned by Hankook Tire, which means one powerful advantage. You get Hankook level technology at a lower price, best for daily driving, quiet, smooth rides, and long tread life. Yes, it's not ideal for extreme winter conditions, but for everyday driving, it delivers more than expected. Sometimes the smartest move isn't spending more, it's spending wisely. Would you buy a cheaper version of a premium brand if it performs almost the same? If you're getting value from this, don't forget to like and subscribe before we move into the top 3. Number 3. Nexen. Nexen focuses on innovation and affordability. They even use AI technology to design tire patterns, something most drivers never think about. What you get is quiet ride, long lifespan, and strong grip. And here's the big trust factor. They're used by major automakers like Volkswagen, Hyundai, and BMW. That means they meet strict quality standards. So ask yourself, why pay more when you can get the same performance for less? Does it increase your trust when a tire brand is used by major car manufacturers? Number 2. GT Radial. GT Radial operates in over 130 countries worldwide. That's not just reach, that's global reliability. They offer strong performance, good fuel efficiency, and long tread life. They even design tires specifically for electric vehicles. Here's the truth. A good tire doesn't just save money, it gives you confidence every time you drive. Would you trust a tire brand more if it's used globally? We're about to reveal number 1. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the best underrated pick. Number 1. Uniroyal. This one surprises a lot of people. Uniroyal has been around since 1892, yet it still stays in the mid-price range. What makes it special? Wet weather performance. Their Rain Sport and Rain Expert tires use advanced water evacuation technology. That means better grip in rain, less hydroplaning, and longer lifespan. And here's the powerful part. It's backed by Michelin, North America, and Continental, Europe. So you're getting premium-level engineering without the premium price. Sometimes the best choices are the ones most people ignore. Would you choose a tire mainly for safety and rain conditions? Here's the truth most drivers ignore. Expensive doesn't always mean better. Smart choices always beat brand names. These underrated brands prove one thing. You don't need to overspend to drive smarter, safer, and longer. Every mile you drive, every turn you take, your safety depends on one thing: your tires. So choose wisely. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more smart car tips, and tell me in the comments, which tire brand are you using right now? And would you switch after watching this? And before you buy your next set of tires, make sure you're not falling for common tire myths, because they could be costing you more than you think.